Hello friends, in the current video tutorial I am going to show you how to plot complex numbers on XY graph. So let's get started. So for plotting complex numbers, I am creating complex numbers, real and imaginary parts separately. 10 complex numbers I am generating. So random number I am using and generating the real part over here, and another random number generator and generating the imaginary part over here. And then I am rounding the both numbers, real part and imaginary part, towards positive infinity, and then I am combining both the real part and imaginary part into complex number using the function real to imaginary to complex. So here I have the complex numbers, and then those complex numbers are combined together in an auto index tunnel to form an array, and that array is plotted onto the XY graph, and the same array is collected in the array. So this is an array of complex numbers. So I can write it over here that this is an array of complex numbers. So I can write it array of complex numbers. So now I just plot it. So as you can see, the complex numbers are plotted. So the first complex number plotted is 3 plus 7 iota. So 3 is over here, and the 3 is over here. This is the first number because x is the real part. So 3 is over here and 7 is over here. So 3 plus 7 iota, this is the first number. The second number is 1 plus 5 iota. So 1 is over here and 5 is over here. 1 plus 5 iota. The next number is 8 plus 10 iota. So 8 is over here, the real part, and the imaginary part 10. 8. So this number over here is 8 plus 10 iota, and similarly other numbers. And the last number 7 plus 3 iota is here. 7 is the real part and 3 iota is the imaginary part. So this way you can plot the complex numbers on the XY graph. The complex numbers cannot be plotted on the waveform graph because waveform graph allows only plotting of Y data with respect to the samples or time. So you cannot have the unequal increments on the x-axis. You cannot plot imaginary parts on the y-axis. So that's why we have to use XY graph to plot complex numbers on the XY graph. So that comes to the end of the video. I hope you have understood the concepts properly and you have liked this video. Thanks for watching this video, and come again.